Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you must have seen the story last week where I tried these shrimps at Caputo's and I loved that. The lady there helped me buying all the seasoning and shared the recipe with me as well. And I made it immediately and all my family loved it. So I thought to share this recipe with you guys. I don't know the name for this recipe. You can suggest a good name, but I can call it a seasoned shrimp or grilled shrimp as well. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So first for this recipe we need shrimps. So I bought these raw shrimps with the shell and tail on. I washed them thoroughly, took off the tail, and then I transferred them into a mixing bowl. Then I'm adding some steak seasoning. You can use any brand steak seasoning. And now I'll be adding the main ingredient, which that lady helped me buying it. It's a Goya brand Mexican seasoning. I just used one sachet for this whole bowl of shrimp. Mix everything well and then put it on the side for at least 10 to 15 minutes. After that, I am just heating up a fry pan and adding some butter and oil. She only used butter. Then I'm sauteing some garlic cloves for like a minute or two, and then I'm adding marinated shrimps in there. Now on a medium to high flame, just start cooking the shrimps until they are thoroughly cooked and all the extra water dries out. Just make sure that you are not overcooking your shrimps. They will get chewy and they will lose all their texture. So now you guys know why I was so excited for this recipe. Yes, very less ingredients and this amazing recipe is ready to serve. You can serve it with some fried rice or garlic fried rice or some noodles. I made a vegetable chow mein on the side to serve it with these shrimps. I already shared the recipe for the chow mein as well, and I will link that down below for you guys. If you are trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.